Oh, dako ang isdaan oh. Nabuhi pa. Look at this. This one's still
Oh,
alive.
look at that guy. I wonder why there are no bears here when there's lots of fish. Ooh, some of them are dead
Lots of
already.
dead fish, eh?
Maybe that's where the smell is coming from.
Yeah.
From the dead fish. Oh.
At least kita natag-spawning bed.
Yeah, and they're fishing, oh. Uy, yan nila, uy. Mamatay naman gihapon ni sila. O, tarawa, o, dagko kaayo ba? Oh? Muna dagang mga bears diri. Mo gani, mo dagang kaayo mga bears diri, no? Kaya mo na panganon, tawa, awa, oh. Namatay na sila, bahok na kaayo diring isda. Daghan kayo na silang nangamatay. O, tanawa, o, naay ka ng, ano, o, morag na trace na gikaon sa bear ba? Tanawa, o. Ang isda.